What's up, you guys? It's your girl Rayanne Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, definitely hit that red subscribe button down below to join the fam. I post makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, and all kind of lifestyle. And lately, I've been posting some fitness stuff. So yeah, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you know when I post new videos. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul from a store called Cloré. And if you guys are not familiar with that store, I am based in Canada and it is a Canadian-based beauty supply store. So if you guys want to see what kind of goodies I got and what products I will be featuring and reviewing on my channel very soon, then definitely keep on watching. So this was at the beginning of all of this stuff happening, and I really did not want to not have my hair products because unlike in the States, we don't have Target and all those stores that do carry black hair products. I mean, we do have Walmart that carries a small selection of products, but they are usually way more expensive. But as I said, a lot of the products in Walmart I do not use in my hair. So I just wanted to really make sure that I had products for my hair. And that I can care for my hair, because realistically I did not know, or no one really knew, when things were going to reopen. So yeah, this is what my package is looking like. So this is the box. Oh, she's big. So yeah, you guys, without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box. So there was a whole bunch of packing stuff. Okay, so I got some perm rods. So I got 3 packs of those. To go with the perm rods, I got this Cream of Nature coconut milk. This is like a foaming mousse. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I got this foaming mousse. So I also got this curl mousse from Missrayyy Organics. So when I was on the website, Missrayyy Organics products were on sale, so I did take advantage of that. And I got the pomegranate and honey shampoo and conditioner. These, I really do like the pomegranate and honey line. I have a lot of their styling products and I've never tried their shampoos and conditioners, so I decided to go ahead and pick those up. So that is that. The last thing I got was, again, my OG deep conditioner. This is something that I really do not go without. I never run out of this. I always have a backup stocked because this stuff right here is everything for my hair. And if you guys have been kicking it with me, you know that like this is my OG product. The other thing that I picked up that I really like is the Alake Naturals hair moisture rich hair parfait, and that's what it looks like. This stuff is really great. It leaves your hair feeling very moisturized and super soft. If you guys, I believe I posted this in what products do I use video, but if you haven't watched that, I will link it in the cards above. But that is definitely one of my go-to products. This is a new product that I recently just tried, and this is from Sunny Isle, and it is the Pure Jamaican Black Castor Oil Pure Butter. I absolutely love this product, and I found out that it works really great when I'm braiding my daughter's type 3 fine hair. So I decided, you know what, let me pick up another one, because lately they've been begging me to braid their hair, so I didn't want to run out of that. And speaking of them, I did go ahead and pick up some products for them. I got a lot of Curly Kids line. So this is their Creamy Curl Defining Lotion. So this is what that looks like. And again, this is from Curly Kids, and this is the Frizz-Free Control Paste. You guys can see that. So that's the Frizz-Free Control Paste. What else did I get? This is a curly gel along with a custard for kids. And what are these? So here I got the deep conditioner from the same line, the super detangle conditioner, and what else? And this is called the super detangle spray. So that's what that's looking like. I really wanted to get some products specifically for the girls. I do typically use my hair products for them, but I just wanted to see if this line would work for them. It does say that it's for mixed textured hair care. It says it's developed for curly, kinky, coily, wavy, and frizzy hair, and our products work wonders on all curly hair types. So I have seen girls with type 4 hair use this as well, so I figured, you know what, let me get most of the line so I can not only try on my girls, but I can try on my type 4 hair as well. What else did I get? They sent some samples. I've actually never heard of this brand. I don't know if you guys have heard it, but it's called like Sinos. I don't know. Sinos. I've never ever heard of these products. So that's what that looks like. I've never heard of these products, you guys, but they sent me a few samples. So let me know if you guys have heard of this. The other thing that I got was my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. I was running out of that, and I have no idea why, you guys, but lash glue was sparse. Like, I checked on Amazon, I checked at Walmart, I checked at Shoppers Drug Mart, and I could not find the lash glue that I liked for the life of me. And thankfully the hair store did have it, but I had to wait like, I don't even know, forever to finally get it. But I did pick up literally I picked up 3 containers of lash glue because because I don't know what it was. I feel like everyone was off, and apparently everyone was just doing their lashes since their lash girl was closed. But yeah, I finally got my hands on some lash glue, so I promise you that my lashes will not be falling off in videos anymore. Actually, I probably shouldn't promise you that because I stay having issues with my lashes, but your girl is practicing today. Actually, I think I did pretty good with my lashes today. But yeah, so because basically what was happening is that I just had this old lash glue that was sitting around and it wasn't the strongest, and my lashes were just struggling. Like, the struggle was hella real. So I got my dual lash glue back, so we're back in business. Anywho, I'm ranting. The next product that I got is going to be a new one for me. I did go ahead and try the Curls Dynasty line, and if you would like to see a video of me using those products, then I will link it in the cards above. But I went ahead and purchased the Cocoa Mint shampoo. I really loved the entire line, so I really loved the other products of the line, so I figured, you know what, let me go ahead and get the shampoo, and hopefully I can do a wash and style video for you guys. So what else did I get? I ended up getting this. It's like a drain snake. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm hoping that it works. I have a feeling that it might not because it feels pretty like flimsy, but my drain has been clogged with hair and it's moving pretty slowly, so I decided to try that. And then lastly, they sent me this leave-in lotion. This is just like a sample, and the brand is called Grow Secrets. So that's what that looks like. So yeah, you guys, that concludes my haul from Clore Beauty, and let me know if you have tried or want to try any of the products in this video. If you guys have any requests for me to try any products, definitely hit me in the comments down below, and I will try my best to accommodate those requests. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Toodles!